Hello and welcome to our channel. As we approach 2024, it's crucial to have a top-notch resume when applying for new job opportunities. Today, we'll guide you on crafting a professional CV or resume with the assistance of Canva and ChatGPT. We won't keep you waiting, so let's dive right into the video.
First, open Canva and use the Search tab to look for resume templates. You'll find various templates, some of which are paid or for pro users. Don't worry, we'll be using a free template. Choose the template that suits your style. Let's start building your resume. Begin by adding your name at the top. Followed by your expert skills or the skills required for your desired job. As an example, I'll be creating a resume for a sales manager. To add an image, go to the Side tab and select Upload. If you've already uploaded your image, simply drag and drop it into the resume. For the About Me description, we'll turn to ChatGPT, command ChatGPT to generate a brief introduction. In my case, I'll instruct ChatGPT to write up to 30 words for a sales manager resume. Once you have the text, edit it. After it, edit your phone number, mail, address. Then to match your language proficiency, you can list the languages you speak. The more languages you can include, the more valuable your resume becomes. Next, focus on expertise. Return to ChatGPT and instruct it to write 7 expertise points for a sales manager resume. Copy and paste them into your resume. Now, let's move on to the experience section. Here, we'll again seek assistance from ChatGPT. In my case, I've instructed ChatGPT to create 3 experiences for a sales manager resume, with up to 25 words each. I specified first, textile industry, second, motor vehicle, and third, real estate. You can add this as your requirements and experiences. Copy and paste these experiences into your resume one by one. In the Education section, fill in your educational background. If you're currently enrolled in a course, you can mention it as in progress. Finally, complete the Skills Summary section with your skills, such as video editing, sales agent, social media management, digital marketing, or any relevant skills you possess. If you don't have skills to add, you can once again turn to ChatGPT to generate 2 skills. You can also use the percentage option to showcase your skill levels, making your resume more professional. With that, your professional resume is ready. You can even offer this service to others and potentially earn income. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. If you encounter any issues while creating your resume, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll do our best to provide a prompt response. Thank you and see you in the next informative video.